Today we are going to introduce you to the three most important maintenance items, or as we call it, the Holy Trinity for the BMW E46 M3 chassis.
Hey everyone, it's Stefan and Keith from Group 2 in Woodinville, Washington. First off, we want to welcome you to our brand new YouTube channel, where we'll showcase the exciting special services from Group 2 Automotive and Group 2 Motorsports. Arguably, one of the cornerstones for BMW's performance models is the E46 M3. Now it all started with the legendary E30 M3, then the capable E36 M3, but the success of the line was really cemented with the performance of the E46 M3 for year models 2000 and newer.
Although a very capable machine, the E46 M3 has three crucial maintenance items that must be addressed in order to bring any 20-year-old M3s to be back up to the current standard and to be better than the factory original.
The Holy Trinity of repairs consists of the valve replacement, in other words, the variable camshaft timing rebuild, the replacement of the rod bearings, and a rear subframe reinforcement. All E46 models suffer from the dreaded E46 subframe cracks when pushed hard on the street and especially on the track. Now we really typically only see it on the M3 models because of their stiffer suspension design.
Both the valve replacement and the rod bearings are very critical to replace in order to not have this beautiful S54 engine reduced to a paperweight. Rod bearings failures isn't particularly dependent on mileage, as over the past 20 years, the Group 2 has serviced these amazing machines. We've seen some engines which experience serious rod bearing failure as little as 20,000 miles.
We've selected the perfect car for the Holy Trinity of repairs, among other performance improvements like suspension, brakes, and exhaust. At Group 2, we love projects like these, and we're going to take this car in its current condition and turn it into a track-ready daily driver.
Now stay tuned for this M3 build project because we're going to take you through various services in detail at Group 2.